What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake social media accounts. Got a lot of people making fake pages, scamming people, acting like me. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, yes, sir. I'm here to show y'all how to make $1 million off business credit. I'm going to show you how to become self-made millionaires. I'm going to show you how to get rich off other people's money. And who are those other people? The banks. Yes, sir. The banks. The banks will allow you to get rich off them. Easy as that. That's how the rich get rich and the poor stay poor, because the poor does not know how to get their credit together, knows about business credit or personal credit, and they stay in the same position and can't get any money loaned to them. Then they just stay broke and they just start, be hopeless and things like that. So I want to change that. I want to show those people how to teach them about personal and business credit and show them that they can do it too. All right, anything is possible. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get major funding of $250,000. Yes, $250,000. Because like I said, nobody is getting personal loans, major personal loans. People who know business and understand that it's easier for you to get loans on the business side, they're doing that. And like I said, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. But at the end of the day, people who are committing all type of fraud and scams with the business loans and things like that with CPNs, they understand it's easier to get this money on the business side, so they do it like that. They create CPNs, they establish it, they build it, then they start an LLC on it, they establish it and they build it, and they go run the credit up on it, get millions of dollars in loans, make payments for a couple months, take all the money out like they have no more money left, file bankruptcy, and do it all over again. And that's what people are doing. But I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just giving you guys some examples why people love business credit so much, because it will literally get you rich. It will literally put you in the door. It will literally get you in the game. Point blank, period. And I know it's a lot of people out there that want to become entrepreneurs. I know it's a lot of people out there that's tired of having people pay them every month, pay them every year. That because you do know when you work a 9-to-5 job, or you work a job and you go punch that clock, that company knows how much you're going to make for however long you work for them. They know how much you're going to get paid. They control how much they pay you. But when you pay yourself, you can control how much you pay yourself. You can pay yourself $500,000 a month, $100,000 a month. You can pay yourself however much you want to, because you're in control of what you're doing, your passion, your business and everything like that. You're not an employee, you are owner. Now you control how much you pay your employees, and you control what's being generated in and what's coming out. That's why a lot of people nowadays want to become an entrepreneur. But a lot of people think that becoming an entrepreneur is just easy, it's free money. You run this business, you don't have to do nothing. No, becoming an entrepreneur is way harder than being a worker. But long as you become an entrepreneur in what you want to do, what you have a passion in, it'll be easier, because you won't be doing it for the money. You'll be doing it because you have a passion for it, and the money will come. Point blank, period. And that's why I be trying to get installed into a lot of people's minds, a lot of people's brains, because they don't understand hard work pays off. A lot of people don't get their business credit established or start a business because they feel like it's too much work, it's too hard for them. They don't know how to do it, so they shy away from it. And that's why I teach it, so you can get a good understanding in it. I say it in every video, so every video that you watch, you can continuously hear it, so I can brainwash personal and business credit into your head and doing certain things. So by the time you get done watching so many of my videos, you'll feel like you know how to do it and what to do already. And you can go do it on your own time. If you watch so many of my videos and you hear me saying about adding trade lines and doing this and doing that, you watch so much and you start to get used to it and it's brainwashing your head, there's going to come a point in time in your life when you're not doing anything and it's going to click into your head like it's just one of those parts going to say, let me try this. And then you're going to start doing it. And positive things are going to start to happen. You're going to say, oh, it really worked. I could have been doing this. Because like I said, Today is the start of a new day. Every day is a new day. You start today, and if you stay consistent for the next 3 to 4 or 5 months, and until when the summer comes, you'll be way ahead of the game. You'll be way farther than a lot of people who decided to watch my videos, who decided to crack hee hee and ha ha and laugh and think loans and credit is a joke. Because like I said, you're going to be an adult one day. You're going to be in 30s and your 40s one day, and you're going to understand how real life is and why you're still not in the position that you want to be, because you took credit, you took my videos as a joke and as a game. And the people who do understand, who don't take my videos as a joke and game, they make a lot of money. They get their business together. They get their credit together. They get their life together. And that's the main point. The goal is not to flash money or look better than the next person. The goal is to take care of yourself, take care of your family, and create generational wealth. That's my goal. That's what my channel is for. Not to be the best rapper, be the flashiest, no, we're not doing that. I'm here to teach y'all how to make money. Point blank, period. I got other channels for that. So, we finna run it up. I'm finna show y'all a place where you can get up to $250,000. All they need is your previous 3 bank statements. That's all they need. And you can get approved for the small business loan today. All right, so $250,000 revenue. It's a $250,000 loan. They're giving out good money to people at high limits. My bad, y'all. People write me at the same time. My bad. Yeah, they giving high limit amounts. All you gotta do is make an X amount. All they want is the last 3 months of your bank statements, certain qualifications, and you can get business loans. And these are loans that people are getting with these CPNs and things like that. They hitting the juggler with the higher limited loan amounts and killing the game, right? So without further ado, we're gonna talk about a place called Capitus, and they giving out major funding for small businesses. So without further ado, let's go check them out and talk about it. All right, see what they got to offer, see how you can get you some money, see how you can start winning in life. All right, so let's check them out. Okay, so Capitus, all right, they got the small business loans, they got equipment financing, they got healthcare financing, they got invoice factoring, they got line of credit, they got purchase order financing, they got revenue-based financing, they got SBA loans, all right? So Capitus small business loans, get the working capital you need to run the business you want, all right? So competitive industry rates, flexible terms to fit your business needs, 5-minute application, approval in as little as 4 hours, funding in as little as 24 hours, minimal business requirements, 625 credit score, 2 years in business, and $250,000 in annual revenue, but they just want the last your last 3 bank statements. All right, so why consider a business loan? Business flexibility, wallet friendly, time sensitivity, business loans, what you need to know. Do I qualify for a business loan? You must have a personal credit score of 625. Your business needs to be operating the last at least 2 years and have a minimal. That's $250,000 in annual revenue, and all they want is the last 3 months of your bank statements. All right, so that's for the personal business loan. So then we can go check out the equipment loan, the line of credit. All right, so business line of credit, get access to the cash you need when you need it at a better rate than a credit card. So fast and affordable business financing. They got competitive rates, 5-minute application, improving as little as 4 hours, no origination fee. Minimal business requirements, 650 credit score, 2 years in business, and use 180K average annual revenue. It says, want to get rid of the ridiculous rates and inflexible terms that come with the credit card. It's time to consider a business credit line of credit. Access a little as much as you need, credit line as you need, when you need it for any business purposes. Make payments only for the funds you draw. Why consider a business line of credit? Stabilized cash flow, easy access, save money, increase adaptability. All right, so it just goes and breaks down to that. So gives you what you need with that. They got purchase order financing. They got the products that they offer. So financing fits best for fast and competitive business financing. 625 credit score. And they giving out major funds. I'm talking about major funds. So like the equipment financing for like doctor's offices and stuff like that. You need equipment and things like that. Well, that's what this is right here. Healthcare industry, running independent practices. Now these healthcare practices make a lot of money for sure. So tap in with that. SBA loans, lines of credit, revenue-based financing, 625, 2 years of credit, $250,000 in revenue, competitive industry rates, a wide selection of financing options, 5-minute application. So yeah, check them out, man. $10,000. They started with this for $10,000 easy. All you need is 3 months of bank statements. You got people out here making their own bank statements with their LLCs and getting funded ASAP, right? So without further ado, let's talk about Capitalist financing and loaning for business, all right? All right, so let's talk about it. Capitalist financing, business loan, financing, and all that good stuff like that. All right, so like I told you guys before, you gotta make sure your business is in order. You gotta make sure your paperwork is in order. You gotta make sure your finances is in order. Because like I said, you got people out here that are creating fraudulent businesses, that are creating bank statements, and they're getting approved for these loans. So if they can do it, you can do it too the right way. All right, you just gotta know what you're doing. No corners to cut. No shortcuts. None of that. You gotta do it the right way to order and learn how to do it the wrong way. And I'm not telling anybody to do it the wrong way. All right, so you need to get business funding, easy business funding. All you need is the last your last three bank statements for your business, and they can give you some funds, right? A lot of funds. So make sure y'all tap in with Capitalists. Make sure y'all go check them out. Make sure y'all getting y'all LLCs and y'all business and them trade lines and AU accounts together so y'all can start elevating life. Getting y'all personal credit together, the personal guarantors, so you can use it towards your business credit, and you will have an easier time in getting approved for these loans. Point blank, period, easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all paying attention to these videos. Make sure y'all listen to me and hearing what I'm dropping these gems. Make sure y'all taking these sites down and just, just writing them down, because when it comes time for you to be able to get this stuff, you'll know where to go and you'll have an easier time of getting approved. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, new subscribers, old fans, all that good stuff like that, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping these videos, keep dropping this sauce, keep doing these giveaways, and keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there is looking to get y'all credit lessons, basic credit lessons, I'm going to teach you how to clean your credit and build your credit. It's going to be $600. But you want me to do it for you, add trade lines and all that good stuff like that, it's going to start at $1,500. Also, make sure y'all come to get y'all FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, $1,200. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know, from CPNs, how to clean and build your credit, documents, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, DW information, sites, everything you need to know. Limited gems, like unlimited is self-explanatory. It's unlimited gems, all right? So whatever you need to know, I got you. Also, make sure y'all getting y'all mentorships, $2,500 is all the limited gems. Plus, we're gonna make money together, passive income. We're gonna create YouTube automation channels together. If the channel make 10,000, you get 5, I get 5. The channel make 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that. As long as you put in the same work and grind and hustle that I'm doing to build and grow the channel, we're gonna get paid. All right, so make sure y'all tap in on that. Also, make sure y'all book y'all seat right now on the crypto tour. I will be invading Miami Beach, Miami, Florida, South Beach, Memorial Day weekend, May 26th through the 29th. Unlimited gems, $3,500, $500 deposit, lock your seat down. The rest of the money will meet in person. All right, 10 seats available. So make sure you get your unlimited gems. Make sure you booking your seat right now, because if you miss out, you miss out. All right, I'm teaching people how to get some money. You can get them gems then and start making some money then. We're gonna be shooting music videos, blogs, interviews, all type of stuff. We're gonna be lit. So make sure y'all tapping in. Come party with me. Come turn up with me. Come make some money with me. Miami Day, Florida, Memorial Day weekend, May 26th through the 29th. Book your seat right now on the crypto tour. $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money in person. All right. Also, I'm still looking for people for the production company. I've been waiting to drink that for so long. Also looking for people for the production company. Actors, rappers, models, entertainers, producers, cameraman, content creators, all that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. You a rapper, you make music, you a singer. Music reviews is $200. All right, if you ain't got $200 to invest in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 or more into your music career? Nothing is free. All right, you're not gonna be able to go no other record label, no other A&R, nowhere else and be like, sign me. I'm the best thing. Me and you need to work together. None of that. All right, y'all. This is business. All right, nothing personal. This is business. All this is business. So y'all gotta understand, learn how to handle business, and stop playing the victim when somebody's not gonna play around with you, or you don't get your way and then y'all get mad. Y'all got a bad habit of that. All right, so stop doing that. Nobody gonna deal with y'all. Nobody gonna accept y'all money. It's a lot of people who I tell them on a daily basis, keep your money, stop writing me, because I don't want to deal with y'all attitudes. I don't want to deal with you. Like, How you present yourself tells a lot. So you can't follow simple instructions or do simple things or got a bad attitude or thinks things are gonna go your way. You can keep your money because it's not about the money with me. It's about the knowledge and the power with me. All right. So everybody's not meant to be taught. All money is not good money, and I know that for sure. And I don't accept everybody's money. It's very hard to get in contact with me. It's very hard to talk to me. The only way you can talk to me if you're talking money. All right. So always remember that. Remember that before y'all DM me on IG or anywhere. Have y'all money together before you write me, or you won't get a response. Easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. All right, models, any women out there, any beautiful ladies out there that's ready to elevate, that's ready to take they passion and they brand to the next level. You gonna be in music videos, blogs, interviews. We're gonna do a lot of content making. All right, so if you ready to elevate, tap in. Make sure you got a good attitude, a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. There's a lot of women out there that I work with that feel like somebody just supposed to do all this work for them, and they don't got nothing going. That's called a liability. People are meant to be assets. If you can't be an asset, which means you can't add to my table or add to what I got going on, like I can add to your life and add to what you got going on, it doesn't make sense. Have a good attitude, have a good head on your shoulders. Please, before y'all contact me, before we work, because I'm going to put you in all the right positions that you need to be that no one else has ever done yet. So make it make sense. I don't know everything, but I know a little bit about a lot, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in, my beautiful ladies and my beautiful queens. I got y'all. Also, any videographers out there that's in Houston, Texas, it means you go out there and you shoot the video, you come on, you upload the clips, and you edit the video. Good masking skills. You got good FX effects. You got good color grade. You know how to really make a music video. Tap in with me. Let's work. Let's make this money, because at the end of the day, content equals views. Views equals money. Easy as that. The more content we put out, the more views we would generate, the more money we'll make. Easy as that. Teamwork make the dream work. I'm looking for a solid team of people that I can make money with, work with, and create content with. All right, so I'm looking for models, actors, rappers, producers, cameraman, and content creators. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all coming to win. Make sure y'all drop them gems. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms, all my YouTube channels. Subscribe, hit the all notification bell. Go follow me. Go run the follows up, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. All right, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.